Greetings, my fellow subscribers, viewers, audience out there in the world today. Or maybe tomorrow, or maybe the day after tomorrow. Anyway, this is Right Tools for Right Job by Noor Ali, your host. As always, I'm grateful to Divine Spirit, grateful to Creator, God, Universe, Cosmos, Planet Earth, and the elements. Today, we are going to embark on a recap journey. Okay? We're going to start over here. All right. So, as always, I want to make sure, yeah, there we go. There we have it. Perfect. How to work with AI like Chat GPT, hashtag, words, technologies like Reddit. I'm not going to read the bottom part. Okay, it's written over there. My goal for myself, meat, gravy, nuts and bolts. That's a statement I use, right? Meat and gravy, nuts and bolts. Get to the core essence of the subject matter, the topic, and talk it out loud. Talking it out loud is very helpful. Some people are out loud thinkers. They talk to themselves, they ask questions, and they answer, and they do their own research, and they come to the conclusion, they execute it, and then they wait for the fruits of labor. Okay, that's how it is. Read it, understand it. All right. So while I was thinking out loud, I wrote all these steps out, right? Consider it to be somebody's Bible or a code or a script or instructions or skill set, talent, all this 1 to 21, right? I'm going to leave it that slide so you can understand what I'm talking about. It will all make sense logically, emotionally, physically, mind, body, soul, past, present, future. They're all together. Okay? Everything is together. Everything is intertwined. All right. You got that? Now we move on to the second one, right here. I'm going to keep on this screen for another 5 seconds or 2 so people can read what I'm thinking, people can know what I'm talking about. Okay, I've broken everything down. Literally broken everything down. When we talk about developed world, we talk about USA, Canada, England, stuff like that, even India, even Pakistan, even Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, all those countries, Middle East. Everybody's connected to YouTube. Everybody's connected to LinkedIn. Everybody's connected to other social media networks out there. We already know it, okay? We already know it. So this is the breakdown of everything. So read it, understand it. This is for your own good, okay? This is for your own good, not my good. I know where I'm headed. I know what I want to do, what I want to achieve. I have achieved it, some of it. I am thankful to God, okay? And thankful to all the blessings that I have bestowed upon me by the Creator. Okay, so this is for a newbie. This is for a young person. Okay, in their high school, 9th grader, 10th grader, 11th grader, 12th grader, even in college, junior or senior, doesn't make a difference, or starting out, right? Understand this right here. I'm not going to read it out loud. I've kept it on for a while. Now, this is the most important thing to remember and to understand. Understand this out loud and clear. What are we going to face in the new upcoming world? You need to skill up. You need to learn AI. You need to understand cloud computing. You need to understand and know automation. What will the extreme AI will take away from us? from us. That includes me and you and everybody else out there in the world, all right? Always remember this now. Right tools for right job by Noor Ali. It's nothing personal over here. This is a Reddit website, URL or a web link, and this is right tools for right job. This is my visual arts channel. Okay, why? And I'll show you. We are strictly using technology, right tools for right job. Keep that in mind. So in this example, I have used Chat GPT 4.0, they call it. I have asked how many users Reddit, REDDIT has. 550 million monthly active user. Wow. 550. I mean, I even don't know the numbers of zeros, right? Great news. This is how you're going to market your stuff, right? So then I came back to my favorite AI chat bot, and I asked this question about my YouTube channel. And guess what? It gave me what are trending words. You know, work smart. Remember, work hard, work smart. So I came across, and guess what? I'm going to take these in consideration, right? And I will follow through. Now, here is another example. This statement right here, okay? How do you use Reddit to increase your subscribers base? Many ways to do it. This is just a recap. I'm just doing the recap, okay? I'm not going to get into deep down into the, what do they call it? Deep into the mountain, cave, splunking. I'm not going to do splunking right now. All right, so as you can see, this is my channel. My foundation got laid, right? 1,454 subscribers. I am grateful to every one of them. Whoever they are, wherever they are, I am grateful. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. And I would like to see grow. I want this list to grow. What I share with you is what is current, based to information technology, system technology, SOC, InfoSec. I've been playing this game of contractor for a long time, and I'm going to play for a long time, right? The more I use this technology, the more better I get myself, right? Myself. So time to time, as between contracts, one contract ends, another one starts. My current one is getting over. I'm looking for another one. So I am hands-on with technology, right? Hands-on, right? I'm not an expert or a master, but I'm good. I can deal with it. I can cope with it. You know, I can deliver stuff on time, right? Been there and done that and doing it. Let's say that, okay? Let's say that. Now, anyway, this is to keep me going. This is to keep me connected to technology. Now, we already know YouTube is automation. YouTube is cloud computing. YouTube is considered one of the most powerful technology out there, on demand and real-time based, okay? Now, if these terms are not known to other people, get to know it, okay? Dashboards, content, analytics, comments, subtitle, settings. I will one day break this down again to show how powerful YouTube technology is, how you can utilize for yourself to get better at your game. Okay, as an analyst, as an engineer, as a tech lead, my positions keeps changing depending on projects and contracts, and I keep moving here and I keep moving there, right? At a certain age, I can say age, or at a certain time in life, that's what happens. Anyhow, anyway, this is the aim, this is a goal. Using right tools for right job by Noor Ali. Okay, so here we are. So time to time, I will go back to Chat GPT and use this. Okay, my next video, I'm going to focus again on this, which is scripting and coding. I'm going to go a little bit deeper, okay? And that we're going to shed some light into it, right? Shed some light into this, right? We already know about hashtags. We already know about keywords. We already know about application tracking system, vendor management system. If you're a contractor, you should know that, and you should be up to par on those things, right? But this right here, I've used this in my previous project to do regex and to work with Signos, a YAML script, right? I use this as an example, and then I use regex exercises. There are some free websites out there, and lint, L-I-N-T, lint tools to verify and validate my YAML script, if it worked or not, right? Anyhow, anyway, I will share that video, that content when I sit down to create one. This was a good time for me to put a rapture on it, wrap it up nicely, design it nicely, so I know what my next one will be, what I'm going to talk about. It's all based on my ongoing experience, right? I only got like 4 days left in this project. Monday's almost over, man. I had fun, learned a lot, and time to move on. That's the way IT is. It's done with. I'm just what you call being being there, attending all my meetings, and deliver everything on time, basically. So, share, learn, teach, and grow. Share, learn, teach, and grow. Share, learn, teach. Share, learn, teach, and grow. Always remember that. If you like, subscribe, please. If you like, subscribe, please. If you like, subscribe, please. Thank you very much. Till next time.